While we associate modifying light with cinematographers and gaffers, most people working in the visual media industry will benefit from knowing how to change light properties. Especially during small projects, one may need to light a scene. Knowing how to control light is critical to creating a natural and engaging shot. First, one must understand the properties of the various light fixtures. 4 types of fixtures make up film lighting: tungsten, HMI, fluorescent, and LED. Each fixture has different output levels and colors.
ほう、向かってくるのか。逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。
近づかなきゃてめえをぶちのめせないんでな。
ほうほう。では十分近づくがよい。呪い呪い。無駄無駄無駄無駄。
Most of the time, the different light types actually get along well and can be used together. Individualized research creates a better understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of specific fixtures. So, how do you use modifiers? Let me show you through setting up the lighting for a shot. I've already set up a subject, a camera framing, and lighting fixtures. As you can see, the lighting is not good. Areas of the image are clipping, and generally the lighting is very raw. To begin, I will modify the primary light or key light. I can utilize a softbox which combines diffusion and flags to achieve an acceptable level and softness. Now the light wraps further around the subject and casts softer shadows, which are generally more flattering. Next, I will work on the kicker light. The practical lamp in the background motivates the placement of the kicker light. I want the audience to assume that the source of the light hitting the subject is the lamp, but the auxiliary source is the wrong color and positioned incorrectly. By shifting the fixture to a better angle, the light appears to come from the lamp. A color temperature orange gel then matches the lamp's color. To lessen the contrast ratios between the light and dark parts of the image, I can add an LED light with diffusion, raising the ambient light level. Often, the absence of light also plays a role in the look of an image. Negative fill refers to the process of removing light from an area. A dark board or fabric removes any reflecting light from one side of the subject. So for our scene, we can add some negative fill to increase the contrast of the lighting level on the subject, creating a moodier look. Now, we have finished our lighting setup and are ready to record. Without modifiers, the shot would look very unnatural and distracting. But the modified lighting improves the look and impact of the final image.